In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the beta profile of macOS Ventura or macOS 13. Apple released macOS Ventura or macOS 13 at WWDC 22 on Monday. First thing you'll need to do is head over to your web browser. Here we have Safari. Type in developer.apple.com. In order to legally download the beta profile for macOS Ventura or macOS 13, you'll need to create a developer account and more than likely have to pay the $99 a year in order to be part of the Apple developer community. Once you go to developer.apple.com, you'll head over to account. Make sure you're signed in. I'm already signed in right here. Once you're here, this is your main page of the developer account. You'll head over to downloads. Once you're at downloads, you'll see all the new betas of all the new releases from WWDC 22. You have iOS 16, iPadOS 16, macOS 13, watchOS 9, tvOS 16. So these are all the new releases that were released on Monday, June 6th by Apple at the Worldwide Developers Conference. If you're looking to install the beta for macOS 13 or macOS Ventura, when you head to this download page, you'll come over here to install profile. I already have it installed on my computer, but after you install the profile, it'll download a file that you'll need to open up the beta access utility. Right here, you'll open that up and go through the process of setting up a beta profile on your Mac. So once you have that downloaded, you'll download macOS Ventura or macOS 13. Your computer will reboot a couple times as it goes through that process of downloading, and then you'll have the developer preview or the developer beta of macOS. You'll know for sure when you do by opening up your About Your Computer. And right here, as you can see, we have the 13.0 beta, build number 22A5266R. As you can see, this About page is a new screen, so you'll know for sure that you are on macOS Ventura. I hope this helps you understand how to download the beta profile for macOS 13, macOS Ventura. We'll see you in the next one.